Hello, in front of me I've got REALME 9 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to connect USB pen drive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your USB pen drive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Once it's done, you can go to My Files app, and if you can't see your USB file right here, enter settings and search for OTG. Enter it and now switch this button on. Now your pen drive is visible. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.